Hey there, Internet, it's Domi. I'm here today with the lovely
EmTV!
Oh my god! I'll have her link in the description so you can go subscribe to her. And she's also going to be doing a part of this challenge. Now, what challenge would this be?
This would be do other makeup gurus makeup challenge thing. Hi.
Basically, we're going to be going to a makeup guru's channel, and we're both going to do a look from that person's channel. These are going to be some intense looks, and as you guys know, I don't do any makeup.
I pretend sometimes.
The makeup guru we're going to be doing today is
Glam and Gore. Her name is Mykie, and she's a wonderful human, and I love her.
And she has this one makeup video that is 90s grunge and supermodel glam makeup tutorial. I'm going to be doing grunge on her for this video. And in her video, she's going to be doing supermodel on me. Let's get the tutorial started. Alright, 90s grunge, 90s grunge, 90s grunge.
Alright.
I already had foundation on to start.
Oh, okay. Hold on, I need to put foundation.
Put foundation on.
Oh my god, okay.
By the way, she's using my makeup, so
it's pretty much all lip gloss. I'm gonna be using the Born This Way Too Faced foundation. Your sponge is also dry. My sponge?
I'm saying the one in your hand is dry.
Are you supposed to put in water? Is that a thing? I learned a thing today. I'm gonna go put some water on this shit. Ooh, look at that chin. That's a good chin.
Oh, the 90s brows.
Wait.
What was
90s
once
brows.
popular was the immense overplucking and thinning of the brows.
Ooh, you get some thin brows, girl.
Connect to grunge, but it was very common in the 90s in general.
Obviously, you can block out my brows if you want,
What do you mean block out?
like like what drag queens do, where they glue. But I feel like you're not that committed to that.
I'm not. Probably should have blocked them out. This is gonna look ridiculous. Eyebrows are sisters, not twins.
Exactly.
You know what? Could be worse. Could be significantly worse. Moving on.
So
Let's
we're
go.
moving on to grunge eyeballs.
So
Grunge
primer.
That.
Yep.
Looking around the shadows I had, I realized the Melt Dark Matter Shadow Stack is the perfect combo of colors for a grungy
We're not
smoky eye.
using that.
So we're
Cool.
going to go from the lightest color in the stack to the darkest.
But look at this damn palette we got. She got this yesterday. It's Blood Sugar.
It's
the
Jeffree's
Star.
newest palette.
Dang!
Starting with Blur, this light tan shadow, I'm using a fluffy brush to put it all over the lid, in the crease, past the crease, and even up towards the brow bone. If you don't have these, just go for colors that you have that are similar.
Okay.
A grungy smoky eye was often big, circular, and a little
Whatever you want.
messy and haphazard.
Are they all the same
So
thing?
blend it out and don't give it much of a shape, besides the shape of a circle maybe,
Let's
and
do
go all the way
this
around
thing.
under your eye.
Oh, under the eye too.
Bring it
Oh,
lower
some
than
color,
you
like,
usually
oh,
would for
this is
anything
gonna
you
be-
do
this
in
is gonna be good.
2015.
This looks basically like the color of your foundation. I mean, why not? I don't know what it did, but it's supposed to do something. Let's continue
Concealer,
to
which is a
something
caramel
else.
brown shadow, and I'm going to do the same thing as I did with the last color, only in a slightly smaller radius, so that the outermost edge is the lightest shadow.
Yeah, but like, it's still-
This also helps to give it a gradient blend.
There's no gradient blending to be had. Oh, look at that color. That looks fucking beautiful. I love that color. I want this color. Oh my god. Dang! That's more dramatic than I would ever do already.
Place the shadow in the inner and outer corners of the lid and under the lower lash line. Again, we want a circular shape overall, so you want both sides to be almost equally high and rounded towards the crease.
Wait. Okay, I think I see. I think I see. Oh no! Okay, fluffy brush to blend it.
We still have one more color to go to.
Oh god, it's gonna be the dark one too, and that's gonna screw everything up. If I put dark colors on, I have to wear like liquid liner to cover up half of it. It's like touching your eyebrow. It's like that. Yeah, that's how out I went. But let's do the other side. but it's alright.
Then taking dark matter, a black
Still,
shadow,
hers was way better.
we're going to do the same thing as we did with the last shadow, but in a smaller radius, similar to the first 2 steps for the eyes, so that the dark red still permeates out a little more than the black.
My God. That ain't bad.
There you go, there you go.
I mean, it's like from far away, this is gonna look hot as fuck.
Yeah.
Close up, it might be a hot mess.
Well, no one gets that close to me anyway, so we're good.
No one's gonna be like, hey Emily,
Yeah.
how you doing?
Everyone's a good like 10 feet distance away from me at all times.
Go big or go home.
Yeah.
That's
Lastly,
what.
for the shadow, I'm taking the lightest color again, blur, just to lightly blend around the perimeter of the whole smoothie eye.
That makes sense.
This is just an easy way to give us softer blended edges.
That actually makes a lot of sense. I was wondering how to get just to lightly blend on the perimeter. You know, I get it. This makes sense. That looks way, way better. Way better. I don't think you understand how, open your eyes now, I wanna see. That looks way better. Significantly better. Yay! So she taught me a thing. I actually like the
Outline
whole
your
dark.
whole
I
eye
didn't even think about that.
with black liner. Get in there.
Okay.
And do some liner on the top. Keep it small and avoid a wing for this one.
Waterline? Is she saying do waterline?
To keep the look focused on the shadow and not the
I've done that on my
sharp
eye.
line,
I
take the
love
black
waterline,
shadow
but I
from
don't
before
trust
and
myself
smoke
doing
out your
outlines.
liner by going over it in a light sweeping motion.
Are you gonna be okay? Yeah. Okay, cool. It's like if you
I mean, just don't like take my eyeliner and go.
Alright, let's go. This is how I do eyeliner.
Make me more sexy.
Make it more sexy. I think you have more of a waterline on the top than I ever thought I ever worried about. That's dramatic. All right, let's see what she says.
Add your
We gonna do
mascara on
something.
the top and bottom lashes.
Mascara on top and bottom lashes.
Okay, I can do that.
Seeing what I see?
Glitter!
Do not stage these green
Yes,
glitter
mascara.
buttons.
I could get to open a little bit more. Okay. Yours are not curled.
Nope.
Do I need to curl them? I've never used an eyelash curler before because I don't need to do it.
I'll
So
do
you do
it.
okay.
You look really scared.
No, it's like I heard you can cut your eyelashes off. Not really, but
It was so much hope.
And for the lips, I'm using the Anita Lip Tar for
Maybe not.
CC because berry lips were a very popular trend.
berry
in the
lips.
90s. And I
we
prefer
got?
having a bold lip to balance out the heavy eye.
I feel like we gotta just go with like a red, but like a darker side of red. Is that what this is?
Yeah.
Me like totally fucking think. Oh no! All right, how am I gonna do this? How am I gonna fix that part right there? What's the best way to do that? Oh, there's concealer.
I didn't tell her that at all. She knew it on her own.
Like, and then I like blending brush. Let's just try it. Let's just like. You can't see. But if I try to fix it anymore, it's really just gonna fuck up. So let me just kind of fix. This
Let me
side.
try it, even though it's gonna be fucked up.
Oh no. Oh no.
I did it! I did it, babe!
No, stop. No, before it dries. Before it dries, fix this again. No. It looks like you're a vampire.
I am.
I'm not gonna be able to fix this. It's a nightmare. Like, if I go like this, you look great, hon.
See if she does anything on the
Looks
face.
a
I don't think she
little
does.
I don't think so either.
Looks like you might have slept in it. Looks like you
Yeah.
might be a junkie. That's exactly how it's supposed to look. Welcome to the 90s. Yeah. I'm gonna start working on values.
You did it good. Okay.
I did a thing, guys.
Okay. Okay.
It was a thing.
This looks great.
Okay, good.
I'm okay with that.
The eyebrows are a nightmare, just don't bother.
The eyebrows aren't horrible. This I understand, but no one can see it unless they're up close.
Like I said, like from far away, it could be worse. It just bothers me very much. You get, like I said, if you go like this, like that side,
great.
That side's great. Like I did a thing, fam.
And the eyeshadow looks good. I'm proud of you.
And that was the 90s grunge look. I mean, guys, you've seen me do worse. Like, this is actually pretty good.
I'm impressed.
If you like that video, make sure to go to her channel and see her video for the 90s supermodel look on me.
I'm excited.
And I'm gonna be linking it below, and I'm also gonna be showing it, like, now. Here.
You're welcome.
Comment, like, subscribe, do all the things the kids do these days. I don't know. All right, bye. Thank you. Bye.